Hey guys, I want to talk about brining and how important it is. This is actually one of the key things that you need to do when you're doing a whole hog. So I'm going to end up making this hog in a cajachina. And let me talk a little bit about the brine. I use like 3 gallons of apple juice, 3 gallons of orange juice, salt, roasted garlic, onion powder, black pepper, brown sugar, and regular sugar. Mix it all up and let them sit in there for about 48 hours. So with a hog like this, what you want to do is you're actually going to tenderize it. So that's why we're using, the apple juice, the citrus in it. It actually gets into the meat and it helps tenderize it for 48 hours. And if one of the things that's kind of funny when I was thinking about brining, if you look back at nature, what does an alligator do? Well, an alligator, when it catches its prey, it takes it into the bottom of the river, or wherever it's at, and it lets it sit there for about a day or two before it comes back and eats it. So I'm thinking I learned about brining from the American alligator.